When men lose interest in a relationships, often they will never tell you. However, there will be subtle changes in their behavior that signal their love has gone. In this video, we'll show you 10 signs to make sure that your man doesn't love you anymore. Welcome to Lifestyle Therapy channel. Stay tuned. To get access to the latest from Lifestyle Therapy, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. Number 10, he suddenly starts demanding space in the relationship. Your boyfriend really shouldn't be asking for more space in your relationship if there have not been any changes in the way either of you behave. His demands to be left alone could be because he doesn't enjoy being with you the same way that he did before. Calmly ask your guy why he wants more space. If he says something specific, deal with it and get it over with. But if he says something vague and has no clear reasons why he suddenly wants you to take a step back, his love for you may be fizzling out. Number 9, doesn't try to comfort you when you're upset. One of the major benefits of being in a relationship is having a reliable support system. There's no better feeling than knowing your partner has your back, and you can rely on him to be there for you when things get rough. I'm not talking about relying on your partner to make you happy, or even to be responsible for pulling you out of a bad mood, or fixing your problems. What I'm pointing to here is having someone in your life that allows you to be yourself, and is happy to be on your side, and help however they can when you're experiencing difficult times. Number 8, lack of communication. One of the biggest signs he doesn't love you anymore is a lack of communication. This is not like ignoring you. This is much more serious, and on a deeper level. When he loses interest in you, he will cut you off. He will lose the need to communicate with you in any way. Whether it's body language communication, verbal, or just eye contact, he will break off all of these. Then, it's time for you to realize it's over. There's no point in trying when you can't even talk properly. There is no point in prolonging this already difficult time. Number 7, your boyfriend has stopped saying I love you. A guy and a girl usually start saying I love you to each other once they move past the first phase of dating. If your relationship developed into the I love you stage a long time ago, there is no reason why your boyfriend should suddenly feel averse to saying these 3 beautiful words to you. As cheesy as it sounds, if he stops saying them, it is a strong sign that he isn't as into you as he was before. Number 6, he just doesn't care about your needs anymore. Your man was once very attentive to your needs and the needs of the relationship. Now he only focuses on himself. He wants to just hang out with his friends. He only wants to do what he wants. He doesn't even want to hear you out anymore when you need a shoulder to lean on. This could mean your relationship is coming to an end. Or, it could very well be another case where he is taking the relationship for granted, or just testing boundaries. Whatever the scenario, when your man stops putting as much time and energy into the relationship as he used to, it could make you feel crazy, longing for something that used to be. Before we continue, I have a special training guide for women about what men want you to know, but will never tell you. Check the link in the description to know more.
You'll feel like you have X-ray vision into any man's mind.
Number 5. He compares you to other women. Guys should never say to their girls something making them feel less gifted or beautiful. If she compares your look, your behavior, or another element of character, think about that. Why cannot you dress just like her? She looks so confident when she talks. Why cannot you do exactly the same? Perhaps you should learn from her how to dress better. Let him understand you are unique and can't be compared to some other woman. If he continue, then probably he doesn't like you anymore. Number 4, he doesn't respect you. Love and respect go hand in hand. There's no denying in that. And if you have noticed he constantly cuts you off in the middle of your sentences, doesn't treat you as an equal, or makes fun of you in front of mutual friends, doesn't communicate with you, etc., then this is a man who doesn't love you. Number 3, he shows no interest. Things didn't always used to be this way. He used to look you in the eye, and tell you how beautiful he thought you were. In any situations, if a consistent thing is changed, it won't go unnoticed. His lack of interest in you is beginning to show, and you would love to know why he's not showing any interest in you. This may be due to the fact that he doesn't want to be with you. Number 2, he's totally stopped texting you back. If he's super passive-aggressive, or he doesn't like confrontation, this could be his way of telling you that he doesn't want a serious relationship with you. At the same time, it's important to note that texting naturally falls off the longer you're with someone. At the beginning, you might have texted back and forth all the time. But as time goes on and the relationship deepens, most guys will scale back the amount of texting. Number 1, he doesn't care about your dreams. If he doesn't encourage you to set and pursue your goals, if he doesn't support your wildest hopes and dreams for your life, it's a sign he doesn't love you. If your boyfriend or husband doesn't want you to succeed or move forward in your life, then he's not loving you. He's dragging you down. Are you and he supporting each other spiritually, emotionally, professionally, socially, personally? Do you encourage each other to take healthy risks and become more of who you are? A crucial sign of a healthy, loving relationship is compatible life and relationship goals. If you and your boyfriend or husband are working towards something together, a purpose, a common life mission, then you increase your chances of joy and happiness as a couple. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find it useful, don't forget to share it, and make sure to subscribe to see more video in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.